Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 5x square minus 16x minus 10. Find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So here the quadratic polynomial is 5x square minus 16x minus 10. See, if you'll try to find the zeros of the polynomial like 5 into 10, 50. Factors are 1 into 50, 2 times 25, 5 times 10. See, you will not be able to split the middle term because you will not get 16 with the help of these factors. So, I will use sum and product of the zeros property, like sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So if you'll compare with the standard polynomial, which is ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 5, b is minus 16, c is minus 10. So now here alpha plus beta is minus b is minus 16, a is 5. So alpha plus beta is 16 upon 5. Now I'll calculate product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Alpha into beta. The formula is c by a. So c value is minus 10. A is 5. So alpha into beta is minus 2. Now I need to find alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So here I'll take LCM in this alpha beta. Here I have beta, so I'll multiply alpha, so it will become alpha square. Here I have alpha, so I need to multiply beta, so beta square. Now alpha square plus beta square, the formula is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Now if I'll substitute the values, I'll get the answer. Now see how I got this identity, this one. Here I use normal like algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I'll make a square plus b square as a subject, I'll get this 2ab towards left side. So I'll get a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So now if I'll substitute the values, alpha plus beta, that is 16 upon 5 whole square minus 2 alpha beta, 2 into minus 2 by alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 2. If I'll simplify, 16 square is 256 by 25 minus into minus plus 4 by minus 2. Here further if I'll simplify this part, so here see here, next step I'll do it here. LCM in the numerator part is 25. So here as it is 256, here I need to multiply 25. So I'll get 100. So 356 by 25 by minus 2. This denominator part I'll write as minus 2 by 1. So 356 by 25 into 1 by minus 2. So here it is plus, this is minus, plus into minus, minus 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 1 will be left 15, 2 times 7, 14, 8. 178 upon 25. So answer is minus 178 upon 25. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.